Davao, yes, Davao. Hello, yes. First, congratulations for being the winner. You are actually the winner of Darling of the Press.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Actually.
Now, how does it feel coming from Davao region and all the way here in Manila, being one of the favorites and the main favorite of the media, pageant media, and winning the title and winning the special prize?
Sorry, pakiulit po.
I mean, how does it feel coming from the Davao region that you became the Darling of the Press?
You know po, again, it's overwhelming po talaga na coming from Davao region po na ano nyo po ako, napansin nyo po ako during the press con, and sana po hindi po dito magtatapos ang pagsusuporta nyo sa akin during the Miss World Philippines, at sana po suportahan nyo po pa rin ako sa Coronation Night on February 3 at Mall of Asia Arena.
And being from the province and fairly a newbie in pageantry,
Yes po.
so what do you think made you stand out para mapansin ka naming media?
Well, as I'm a woman from a small town in Davao region, and I know I have the capability to show myself in the national stage. And aside from my capabilities as your Miss World Philippines, I am a fresh face po, at saka sana hindi po kayong magsawang sumuporta sa akin.
What will make you win this pageant?
What will make you win this Miss World Philippines? That's interesting question. And I think what will make me win is the goal that I have. It's really in my heart po talaga to be your Miss World Philippines, at saka sana po talaga ako yung manalo para ma-present ko po yung sarili ko and my manga project in the international stage. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
My name is Ayel for the Philippines.
Hi, Ayel.
So, my question is, how does it feel now you're now claiming your front runner spot as of the moment?
Sir, it's really overwhelming kasi hindi ko po talaga alam na I'm like a front runner here in Miss World Philippines. And ang masasabi ko lang po sa lahat, especially to the pageant medias, I will really try my best to best represent myself in the national stage and soon in the international stage.
Okay. Next question. Aware yung lahat na you're a former flight attendant.
Yes.
So, kumusta yung changes nito from your previous flight then sa pageantry?
Alam nyo po, it's really not my character kasi mahihiyain ko po talagang tao. Tapos nakikipag-usap lang po ako sa mga tao, lalo na pag Bisaya lang. Pero as a flight attendant, it helps me to communicate with other people kasi every day, every leg, iba't ibang tao po yung nakakasalamuha ko, ibang pasahero, dinadala ko po sila sa iba't ibang destination. And being a flight attendant by joining here in Miss World Philippines is really not a big difference for me kasi sanay na po ako sa maraming tao, pero syempre meron pa rin po stage fright kasi hindi naman po stage yung cabin. Kaya sana po it will be, more parang mas magaan po sa akin.
Okay, last question. If pagbibigyan ka ng chance na mag-ask ng one question kay Miss World 2013 Megan Yang, ano ito at bakit?
Napaka-interesting ng question, ha? Siguro po yung question will be, paano niya po na-maintain yung pagiging class niya po? Kasi as we all know, Megan Yang is really a class woman, and I wanna embody that quality para naman po ako yung magiging next Miss World 2026.
Okay. Message mo sa lahat ng supporters mo, Jamie.
Hello po everyone, especially to my supporters in Davao region and around the Philippines. Please do support me as someone who came from the small town of Davao region. Sana po supportan niyo ako hanggang sa Coronation Night sa February 3. At saka sana po ipagpe-pray niyo po ako na hindi po ako matakot sa pageant.
Jamie,
Hi, dito na. Thank you, Sir. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
Jamie, aside from your physical attribute, what else you can offer to the organization to be the next right work?
Hello, Sir Nolly. Yung quality ko po siguro as someone who joined the Miss World Philippines is that I am really a goal setter po talaga. Pag meron po akong goal, lalo na naka-instilled na po sa mind ko, talagang pagsisikapan ko po talagang mangyari po iyon.
And why you should be the next work?
This is a very emotional question for me. But aside from, it's my lifelong dream, gusto ko pong maging Miss World Philippines also to fulfill my lola's dream. Kasi nung bata pa po ako, lagi niyo po ako pinapadala sa mga school pageants. And syempre, with the limited financial support, parang limited lang din po yung napapakita ko sa mga school pageants. And now, I am really grateful kasi I can represent myself best in the national stage, hopefully in the international stage.
JB, please greet your supporters and sa buong Pilipinas in Bisaya. And then
Ooh!
Tagalogin mo after.
Ah,
Kasi
sige.
di ako marunong ng Bisaya eh.
Sige, para subtitle.
Para di ako subtitle, yes.
Sige po. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, especially sa mga taga Davao Region. Salamat kaayo sa pagsuporta nyo sa akin. At saka sana po, manood kayo ng Coronation Night namin sa Mall of Asia Arena on February 3. And on Tagalog, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. At saka magandang araw din po sa lahat ng mga suporta ko ay mga nagsusupport sa akin sa Davao Region. At saka sana pagpatuloy niyo po pa rin akong pagsuportahan sa Miss World Philippines Coronation Night on February 3 at Mall of Asia Arena.